will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis quite a few times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But as we head into the weekend, just want to get a few things updated here. Started off actually very nice on the day. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because if you look right here at the opening 30 minutes on the day, big volume spike, and the price actually gapped all the way up here. But then it ultimately turned out to just be a gap and trap where the price, like I said, gapped up, and then from there the sellers just showed back up and ultimately knocked the price back down. So as far as the overall move, or I should say the overall move being defined as the past several days, everything's still in place there, and I'm basing that off of just where the lows been. So you've had a set of lows there, then you've had this set, and then you've had this set, and if this set today holds, well, I mean, these stair steps, if you picture these, would still, are still going in the upwards direction. So it's not like just because there's a gap and trap today that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But just one of those situations where, from how it started out, didn't exactly, hold the gains, and then, ultimately have a good overall day in and of itself. But again, that's just day, right? When you look at multiple days, you still have those stair steps in place. So just a quick kind of, really not even new updates, because more so just kind of reiterations. But the level of resistance that continues to be pretty much the thorn in the side of the bulls right now is this 450 mark. Yeah, the price got above it, but then after it fell back below, you can see it just struggled, to ever try to get, back up above again. And so 450 is still that key shorter term level of resistance going into next week. And then you still have 480 up here, but before you start talking about 480, 450 is definitely that key level that needs to be broken. From support perspective, really all about the $4.20 level, which is that green line right there, and then the longer term moving averages, which is the 50 period simple moving average, that purple line, and then the 200 period, the pink line there. So all in all, yes, not a great day after the gap and trap, but the chart still got a chance to build those stair steps. So we'll see if they can do that or not next week. Popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.